Chapter 2, Excel 2016 Charts. A chart is a tool that can be used to communicate data graphically in a pictorial form. It makes it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a table. In this chapter, you will learn about different types of charts and their components. You will also learn how a chart can be created and changed. Components of a chart. There are many components of a chart. They are mentioned as under Chart Area. It includes all objects and elements in a chart. Category axis. Category or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. Value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Plot area. It is the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Legend. It is a key which shows the meanings of symbols, patterns and colors used in the chart. Chart title. It describes the main aim and content of the chart. Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Data labels. Data labels include category name, data values, series name, legend key and values from cells. Data series. It is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represent the data values. Types of charts in Excel. In Excel, there are a number of different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, scatter, donut, radar and surface. Some of the common charts are column chart. A column chart is commonly used to display the data in the form of vertical bars. The categories are represented on the horizontal axis and the values are represented on the vertical axis. It shows changes in the data over a period of time or compares different data items. Bar chart. A bar chart shows the data in the form of long rectangular rods or bars. These bars can be placed horizontally on the chart area. It compares the individual items. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart. A line chart uses connecting dots to display the trends of data over a given period of time. It is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on x and y axis. Pie chart. A pie chart is a graph in which a circle is divided into sectors, showing the relative size of each value of the same data. It always shows only one data series. Also known as an XY scatter plot charts, scatter charts depict the correlations between any two sets of values. The x and y axes are used to represent the data plots. An area chart is used to show the quantitative magnitude of a data. Graphically, these charts are based on the features of the line chart. They basically emphasize the area between the line and the axis with the help of pictures, colors, textures, etc. How to create a chart? It is quite easy to create charts in MS Excel. You can create one by following the steps given below. Step 1. Select a range of cells. Step 2. Click on the column chart from the Charts group under the Insert tab. Step 3. Select any of the 2-D column chart options from the drop-down list. A chart will be inserted in the Excel sheet. How to change chart type? If you wish, you can change the type of an existing chart at any time. To change the chart type, You may follow these steps. Step 1. Select a chart whose type you wish to change. Step 2. Next, click on the Change Chart Type command from the Type group under the Design tab. Step 3. Click on Line from the left panel of the Change Chart Type dialog box. Step 4. Click on the Line with Markers option from the right panel under the Line group. This will change the chart to line chart type. Knowledge Zone. William Playfair, a Scottish political economist, is credited with the invention of the modern statistical chart. MS Excel offers 44 types of charts and graphs to its users. Toolbar is a feature that can be found virtually in every software product. MS Excel was the first application to use a toolbar.